Hey people, Aman here. So a lot of you people asked me about those free Udemy courses and how I got them. So it's actually a pretty easy installation and all you need is Python on your Windows 10. So let's just follow through and let me just show you quickly what I'm talking about. So this is my Udemy account, and when I go to my courses, I have around 121 courses. All of them were like technically they are paid courses, but my script just goes online and finds those code which makes the entire course like 100% off. You will know in a second what I'm talking about. So specifically for the purpose of this tutorial, I've made another account. Let me just show you that so we can see the difference in courses. Quickly go to my other account. Okay, so this is a completely new account. I just made this like 5 minutes ago, and there are no courses here. So we'll close this tab. Now I want you all to install Python. Okay, it's just go to python.org, and it should be a really easy installation. Just go to the downloads, and there should be Python 3.9.0 for Windows. If you are on the Mac or Linux, it might be really easy. You just go to Mac OS and just click here, like go for the Mac OS thing, and then just download whatever version. Go for Python 3. Okay, always go for Python 3, not for Python 2. So, and if you are on Linux, I mean, you pretty much would know what to do. It's just sudo apt install Python, but you can just ask me about that later. So when you click on that, you can download your file, and you will see that your file is downloaded. Just click on it, go through the installation. It's a really simple installation. You just have to click next, 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 and make sure you enable this option. See, do you see this option? Add Python 3.9 to path. Click here and click on install now. Okay, that will install the Python and everything should work. To check if you have Python or not, you can just open up a command prompt. I'll just open it here. Okay, so you have to open up a command prompt in a specific folder. How do you do that? So you open up the folder. For me, it's YouTube folder. You just click here on this search bar. You just type cmd and press enter, and the command prompt will open in that specific folder. Okay, to check if I have Python, I can just type Python, hit enter, and it just says Python 3.8.5. That works. To exit, just go for Control W, or you can just write quit, and yeah, that's done. We'll minimize this video. Now after you have Python on your system, I want you to go to my GitHub. All the links will be provided in the description, don't worry. Now when you go to my GitHub, you go to this repository, and this is the link that I want you to download. It's Udemy bot courses, free courses. Now you can just use a git clone, but since you guys all have Windows, so you can just click on this code, and you can just click on download zip. Okay, you just download the zip file, and it shall download the entire zip file, and you can just extract that zip file. Okay, I'll just download it in my YouTube folder. I'll just hit save, and yeah, there is that's my file. I'll just right click it. I'll just click extract here, and you guys will have the same options. If they differ, you can just contact me. I'll delete the zip file. I open up this file. I'll give it a second to load. Okay, cool. So I can close off this command prompt. Now here you can type cmd again. So this is the folder that we are in, and when you type cmd, I want you to specifically write this command. It's python get pip dot sorry, not get links, but get pip dot py. Okay, cool. Write this specific command and then hit enter. It will download the pip software. It's a Python installation package. You need it for I mean, specifically you will need to download some requirements, so you'll need that specific software. Okay, cool. Then hit enter. It will just download the pip. I'm not gonna do that. It will, cause I already have pip. Okay, so we'll backspace on that. After you are done with that command, the next command you need to go is python requirements. Okay, not that. requirements.py. Okay, when you hit enter on this, I'll just do it. I think, yeah. So it might download a few things. On my computer, I already have those specific requirements done. So it will just go through and it will say requirement already satisfied. So yeah. Okay, so that is done. Now I want you to specifically check that what browser you are using. So if you are using Google Chrome, then the next tutorial might work for you. If you are using Edge or Chromium or Firefox or Internet Explorer, there are some issues in the bug which I need to fix. But for this, I would recommend that you guys get a Google Chrome browser on your system. Okay, so now the next step that we're going to go for is you're going to type Python, then you're going to type Udemy, just hit tab. Specifically, this is the command Python Udemy underscore enroller underscore chrome.py. Okay, this specific command, do not make any mistakes. When I hit enter on this, it will download the Chrome WebDriver, and it will ask you for your Udemy email address. Okay, so my Udemy email address was shabisinger@protonmail.com. That is the email address I made. My password, I mean, it's a very secretive password, but I'll just type it out. This is my test password. You guys can hack me if you want to, but I mean, it doesn't matter. Enter your zip code. I mean, you can just put the zip code of whatever city you are in. If you are in Ahmedabad, you can just go for 380015. I don't know, doesn't matter. Enter your language. Now this will decide the languages that you want for your course. So I'll just go with English. If you have other languages, for example Hindi, just hit a comma and then just type Hindi. But we just want courses in English for now, so I'll just type English and hit enter. Do you want to save the settings for future use? So guys, if you don't want to put email address and password every single time, just type a capital Y and hit enter. If you want to ever change your settings, you can just delete the file. I'll show you in a second which file to delete. I'll just hit enter. Now it will ask you about what kind of courses do you want. So do you want IT related courses or development financing? There's an entire list. We'll just go for all the courses, 99. That will search out all the free courses available. Will it enter? It will try to get the current Google Chrome version and the latest driver version. Now it didn't find any version on the local host, so it will just try to download it. Just give it a second. For you, it will download once, but the next time you run it, you won't have to download it again and again. It's okay. So it has downloaded that. Now it might open Google Chrome in a second. It just did. Okay. Now do not click anywhere else. Okay, let it do its thing. It will automatically open up all the links. It will automatically try to log in. We'll just watch. I'm not moving my mouse. I'm not doing anything. It's just my computer. I'll just show you what's happening. So yeah, this is the... Okay, so it's trying to scrape 600 links. So I'll just minimize this so you guys can see it. So it's automatically trying to find courses and it will automatically try to enroll in them. So it found a course. If it says free, it will add to the cart. It will just, keep on doing that. And as you can see, it's working really fine. Now, the important distinction that I want to tell you guys is that these courses are not Udemy free courses. Okay, those are actually paid courses which have gone free. Okay, there's a difference. That means if you use these courses, you will get the same treatment as if you paid for the whole course. Okay, and that is actually kind of a big deal because you will get certificates and you will get the same treatment from Udemy. And I think this tool is great. I didn't write this tool originally. I just co-authored it and I have just changed the a few things here and there. I've just added a few features. I'll also drop the original link for this tool and obviously full credits to the original creator. So yeah, that is it. The script will keep on running. Whenever you want to stop the script, you just bring this command prompt here and type Control C, Control and plus C. Okay, this will stop this thing. And whenever you want to run it again, you can just go through the same procedure. All you have to do is I'll just show it to you guys. I'll press Control C. Whenever I do that, the browser window will close and the script has stopped working. And whenever you want to run it again, all you can do is open up a command prompt here. Just come to the folder and type cmd again. You just hit enter. Then here you come back, you type Python, then you type Udemy and enroller Chrome. You just hit enter and everything will just, it's fine. I mean, you don't have to put ID password again, and you just hit 99. Or let's say you want to go for IT software courses, so you just hit 1, enter. As I already said, it's already has downloaded all this stuff, so it won't download. It will just open up a Chrome browser. Now sometimes, Chrome will or Udemy will tell you that please verify you are a human, and you might get this error. So that's completely fine. Just open up your Chrome, right click it, open incognito window, and just open udemy.com and go to sign in over here, login. So it will just ask you please verify you are a human, because I mean we were using a robot to control. So it might show you a captcha. Just click on the captcha, finish it. Do you see any bicycles? I don't. Just hit skip. Traffic lights, done. Verify, and then when it says that everything is done, you can log in. You just click close here, run the script again, and it will all work fine. So that is it. If you find any problems or any bugs, feel free to let me know in the comments. And yeah, this might just work. Give it a second. And I can't stress this enough, please do not click anywhere when the process is going on. It will do it on its own. And yeah, it's back again, and it will try to find the courses, free links, and it will do it. Okay, I'll also show you the proof that it is working and we are also enrolled in courses. So while this runs, I just come here, I'll open Udemy. So yeah, it enrolled us into Amazon Redshift and Java Web Services. We'll go to my learning, and here we can see that we are enrolled in, well, at least one course, which is nice. And it is trying to enroll us into more and more courses. We'll just hit reload, and we can see that it's gonna keep on refreshing. Give it some time and it will do that, and it will work. Don't worry guys, just keep it running for like 5-10 minutes and you will be sorted. So I'll just close this script, and yeah, that's it. Or if you also, I told you guys, if you want to change your ID password or something in the future, so there should be a file named settings. This is the settings file. You just delete it, and the next time you run the Udemy enroller Chrome file, it will ask you for ID passwords. And yeah, that's it. I'll drop all the links in the YouTube video, and obviously credits to the original creator here. You just don't need to download his file. You can just use my file or his, whatever is fine with you. So yeah, that's it for the video guys. Please let me know if there are any problems, and also like, share and subscribe. Subscriptions do help me a lot. So if you see that you are not subscribed, please subscribe. With that, thank you for watching.